friends, today I am going to prepare another recipe of Kerala. As we all know, Kerala is a land of spices. So let us take some of these spices and give a new avatar to the potatoes. I am preparing Nadan urulakizhangu, a side dish from Kerala. So let's start the recipe. The ingredients of recipe are 4 medium-sized potato peeled and cut, 2 medium-sized onion peeled and chopped, 1 tablespoon mustard seeds, curry leaves, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of oil, 3 to 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 tablespoon salt. Let's start the recipe. Adding potatoes to hot water. Now boil these potatoes. We half boil these potatoes and boil these potatoes for 5 to 6 minutes. Then we will check it. Till our potatoes boil, we grind these ingredients to make marination for potatoes. Firstly, we add onions, lemon juice, a few curry leaves, red chili powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. We grind these ingredients and then we marinate potatoes. After grind, the mixture come out like this. We pour it on potatoes. Adding salt to it. And mix it well and keep it in refrigerator for 5 to 10 minutes. We keep it in the fridge. After 15 minutes we take it out and now we stir fry these potatoes. Firstly, we heat the pan, putting 2 tablespoons of oil. After heating the oil, adding the half tablespoon of mustard seeds. As these mustard seeds get sprinkled, then we add curry leaves to it. Now we add curry leaves to it. Adding marinated potatoes. After roasted these potatoes, it comes out like this. We roasted these potatoes on a low flame. These potatoes are ready to serve. You can serve these potatoes with any salad which you like. Today I am serving these potatoes with spring onions which I have coated in lemon and red chilies. Now I am serving these potatoes